Did you know that your body has a hidden superpower? It's true. Many of us believe that chronic diseases can only be managed with a constant intake of medication. But what if I told you there's another way? Our bodies are incredibly designed to heal themselves, fight off diseases, and even regenerate healthier cells without relying solely on drugs. In today's video, we're diving into the body's secret mechanism, a powerful internal system that boosts your immune function, promotes cellular repair, and naturally sweeps away diseases. Stay tuned as we uncover how you can activate this amazing ability and transform your body into a self-healing powerhouse. Get ready to change the way you think about health and healing forever. What is autophagy? Let's talk about something fascinating called autophagy. Imagine it like your body's own recycling system. Autophagy is a natural process that happens inside your cells. What it does is pretty cool. It breaks down the old, worn-out parts of a cell and recycles them into new, useful ones. It's like turning old junk into brand new treasures. This process is super important because it helps get rid of damaged cells and any harmful invaders like viruses or bacteria. It even tackles those scary zombie cells, which are precancerous cells that refuse to die. By cleaning out the old and bringing in the new, autophagy plays a crucial role in keeping you healthy, preventing diseases, and slowing down the aging process. It's like giving your cells a fresh start. The role of fasting in triggering autophagy. Have you ever wondered why fasting is becoming so popular? Well, it's not just a trend, it's actually backed by some pretty interesting science, especially when it comes to boosting your health. Let's break it down in simple terms. Fasting is essentially when you don't eat for a certain period, allowing your blood sugar levels to drop. This drop is a signal for your body to start making some key changes to how it operates, activating a process known as autophagy, where your cells start cleaning house. Now, let's look at what happens at different stages of fasting. At 8 hours, your body begins minor metabolic shifts. This is just the start of the fasting journey. At 12 hours, this is where things get interesting. Your body starts producing ketones, which not only help in burning fat, but also increase mental clarity. So, you might find yourself thinking more clearly and feeling less hungry. At 13 hours, your growth hormone levels start to rise. This is great news because growth hormone helps in burning fat and slowing down the aging process. At 15 hours, for men, there's a huge boost in testosterone, up to 1,300%. This hormone boost can significantly enhance muscle growth and overall vitality. At 17 hours, your body kicks into high gear with deep cell repair. This phase is crucial for getting rid of old, aging cells. Think of it as an intense spring cleaning at the cellular level. At 24 hours, your gut begins to reset itself, with intestinal stem cells working hard to regenerate the lining of your gut. This is essential for a healthy digestive system. At 36 hours, now, your body starts targeting stubborn belly fat, using it for energy. This is where extended fasting can really start to show its benefits in weight loss. At 72 hours, you achieve a full immune system reset. Old immune cells are recycled, and new ones are created, giving your body's defense system a much-needed overhaul. So, fasting not only helps you lose weight, but also triggers a complex, beneficial series of events in your body that helps in healing and rejuvenation. It's like hitting the reset button on your body's health. Benefits of fasting for health. Let's discuss about the health benefits of fasting, which goes way beyond just losing a few pounds. Fasting can be a powerful tool to improve your overall health. It's like giving your body a mini vacation to focus on maintenance and repair without the constant job of digesting food. First off, fasting can really step up your body's ability to fight chronic diseases. It gives your body a chance to reset, promoting fat loss and boosting your immune system, making you less susceptible to getting sick. Now, about losing weight, did you know that doing a 36-hour fast once a month could be a game changer for those who find it tough to shed those stubborn pounds? It's like hitting the fast forward button on your weight loss journey. And it's not just your body that benefits, your mind gets a boost, too. If you try a 48-hour fast every 3 months, you might notice a big improvement in your mood. Many people report feeling less anxious and even see a decrease in symptoms of depression. It's amazing how taking a break from eating can actually feed your mental health in such positive ways. Fasting strategies for different goals. Thinking about trying fasting but not sure where to start or what schedule could work best for your goals. Let's break down into different strategies based on what you might be looking to achieve, keeping things simple and straightforward. 3-day water fast, 72 hours. Imagine giving your body a full reset button. Doing a 72-hour water fast twice a year can have profound effects. It's like a deep cleanse for your cells, helping to clear out rapidly aging cells and even potential tumors. This isn't the easiest fast to do, but the payoff can be huge in terms of cellular health and longevity. 48-hour fast, looking to boost your mental health? A 48-hour fast, done once every quarter, could be your go-to strategy. It's particularly good for improving your mood and mental clarity. Many people find this length of fast manageable and report significant reductions in anxiety and depression symptoms afterwards. 36-hour fast. Now, if weight loss is your main goal, consider trying a 36-hour fast once a month. This time frame is ideal for those who want to seriously kickstart fat loss without the commitment of longer fasting periods. It's long enough to make a significant impact, but short enough to fit into a busy schedule. 24-hour fast. For more frequent health boosts, a 24-hour fast weekly can work wonders. It's also popular among those who eat one meal a day. This kind of fast helps maintain consistent health benefits and is a good balance for those new to fasting or anyone looking to maintain overall well-being without too much disruption to daily life. Short fasts, 12 to 17 hours, and don't forget about shorter fasts. Fasting for 12 to 17 hours on a regular basis can still provide great health benefits. This window is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just think of it as skipping breakfast or dinner. It's perfect for those just getting started with fasting or anyone who wants a low-impact way to aid general health and digestion. Each of these fasting strategies has its own benefits, so consider what your personal health goals are and maybe start experimenting to see what feels best for your body. Key foods to maximize fasting benefits. We're diving into how to make the most out of your fasting by choosing the right foods to eat when you're not fasting. It's super important to break your fast wisely because the foods you eat can either amplify the benefits of fasting or dampen them. Let's talk about what you should be focusing on during your feeding windows to really boost that autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells to regenerate newer, healthier cells. Avocado. This is a powerhouse to start with after a fast. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats that not only help suppress your hunger but also provide sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. They're creamy, delicious, and a fantastic first food to introduce after your fasting period. Coffee. Now, who doesn't love a good cup of coffee? But here's an extra perk. Coffee actually boosts autophagy, especially in your liver, muscle, and heart tissues. Just make sure it's organic and mold-free to avoid any unwanted toxins. Green tea. If coffee isn't your thing, green tea can be a great alternative. It's less stimulating, but still enhances autophagy and offers neuroprotective benefits, which can protect your brain health. Plus, it's calming and can be a great addition to your post-fast routine. Olive oil. Here's a golden tip: add some high-quality olive oil to your meals. Olive oil is fantastic for fighting diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. Just remember, it should be organic and try not to heat it to high temperatures. You want to keep all those anti-inflammatory benefits intact. Turmeric. Last, but definitely not least, turmeric is a spice you'll want to keep handy. It's rich in curcumin, which not only supports autophagy in pancreatic cells, but also has widespread anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. To get the most out of turmeric, combine it with a bit of black pepper. This enhances your body's ability to absorb curcumin, boosting the benefits. So, next time you finish your fast, think about incorporating these foods into your meals. They're not just good for you, they'll help extend the health benefits of your fast well beyond those fasting hours. Establishing a long-term fasting routine. Let's discuss about setting up a long-term fasting routine, which is like committing to a maintenance schedule for your body's health. If you're looking to keep your body in tip-top shape, developing a consistent fasting schedule can be a game changer. Why? Because regular fasting helps kickstart autophagy, that amazing cleanup process we talked about. Autophagy is your body's way of getting rid of all the stuff it doesn't need, like toxins and aging cells that can make you feel sluggish or lead to health issues down the line. Think of it like taking out the trash regularly. If you don't, things start to pile up and, well, it can get messy. So, how do you start? It's all about finding a rhythm that works for you. Maybe it's 24-hour fast once a week or a longer fast every month. The key is consistency. Stick with it long enough, and your body will thank you by staying healthier, cleaner, and more rejuvenated. It's not just a quick fix, it's about building a sustainable habit that keeps you feeling great year after year. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Fasting isn't just a way to lose weight, it's a powerful tool to trigger autophagy, helping your body regenerate healthier cells, clear out toxins, and even sharpen your mental clarity. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, feel more focused, or give your body an anti-aging boost, fasting can be tailored to meet your specific health goals. Feeling inspired to give it a try? Start small, see how your body responds, and adjust your routine as needed. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more insightful health content. Let's embark on this health-boosting journey together.